Yo, what's up, bro? Alright, so listen. We're out here and shit. We're out here, bro. We're gonna take you guys on like a drift completion and shit, bro. Like, I'm gonna fuck some shit up. You feel me? I got my boy in the back, bro. Say what's up, bro.
What's up, bros?
Yo, so listen, bro. Like, yeah, we're gonna fuck some shit up tonight. You know what I'm saying? Like, we're gonna go in the valley and shit. And like, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna smoke. We smoke big dope on
Alright,
this.
we'll see you guys.
Alright, so we out here about to we in Newark, about to drift the VQs out here. TJ, let them know what's up.
Yo, what's up? We're gonna get a drift for a little bit. We're gonna hit up some spot in Main Street real quick.
Alright, we're out to the drift spot right now, guys.
We out here, wall vibes. Just got done drifting and shit.
Better go get some drinks, then hit the smoke sesh. We'll see you guys in a second. But yo, actually, it was a pretty successful drift sesh tonight, guys. So we got a few drifts in.
Yo,
What's up, my
I
man?
want to finish it, Joe. I need some help getting on this train, bro.
On the train?
I'm trying to get to Philly, bro.
Say what's up for the YouTube real quick. Shout out. You got any shout outs?
What?
I'm trying to get on YouTube. That's on YouTube. I'm trying to get on the train, bro.
Oh, the train?
Yeah.
You got any shout outs or anything you want to make?
I don't fuck with everybody, man.
Fuck everybody.
Nah, not fuck everybody. I don't fuck with everybody. Always stay in your lane. Never come out your mouth about things you've seen and heard.
Yeah, that's right, bro.
T-banging, fucking and shit. Yo, my boy! I got you with that money!
Alright, so we got the Russian cream. We just got done drifting. Banger's rolling up the wood right now. So we might hit up another spot soon to hit some donuts.
I don't know. We'll go somewhere.
We'll see.
Shit, we gotta scare my boy. You ready? Look, people. Get him on the. Get him on the.
Oh boy!
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're out here. This is part 2, but we're smoking right now. We just got the re-up Russian creams. As you can see, we were fucking with the guy. He was slumped. Banger got him. But yeah,
I wish you would have like got him. Like we forgot to got like. Oh my god, bro! Hold on, bro. All right, listen, hold on. So like, I'm not used to YouTube shit. You feel me? This is good. It's good footage. You know what I mean? Like this is what we do, man. This is what we do. The DriftTweakers type shit. But you know what I mean? We're gonna have merch and shit when we get like, you know what I mean? When we get subscribers and shit, we're trying to get up there and shit. We're, you know what I mean? We're supporters and shit. But yeah, like, bro, I was fucking with him, but like, dude.
alright guys, so we're probably gonna get some drift clips in. We're tweaking. We got a 35 here. 37 as always. Alright, so if you guys don't know, alright, this channel is basically gonna be a little bit of cars, a little bit of tweaking, and all that good stuff, man. So what do you gotta say for yourself? Alright,
Listen.
alright, so look, we're gonna get some
We
drifting.
keep going with this footage because you know what I mean. We don't have that much footage yet. We only got a couple clips, but like when I scared the shit out of that guy, you guys are gonna like that shit. That shit was funny. I just wish you got like a better view of it, but it was funny as shit in person. But still, you know what I mean. This channel is about like, you know what I mean, us. I mean, we're like not kids, but we're like young adults. We're like 20, you know what I mean? We're trying to make it and shit. Like, trying to make it up there. So we're trying to like just do shit to our cars, let people like enjoy watching our videos and shit. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man. So pretty much that we wrapped it up for you guys. So we'll see you on the next clip. Wood set's going down. All right, guys, what's up? It's Matt here. It's a new day. We got the 37 here. I'm not too sure what we're going to be doing today, but we'll get some clips for you guys. This is going to be the first video, so I hope you guys enjoy.
Yeah, bro, I have no.
All right, back at the underground. It's another day. What you got? What you smoking on?
Smoking. Throwing on that gasoline. That good.
So we're gonna definitely get some more clips in for you guys today for wrap up the first video. I hope you guys enjoyed though. We're putting in work, and there's a lot more to come soon, right? What they gonna see, bro? What's coming?
They gonna see, man. We the drift
They just gotta tell them to
They the
just,
drift tweakers,
stay
man.
tuned. Bro.
Stay tuned, man.
That's all. All right.
Yo, drift tweakers out here, man. We're tweaking and shit. We just fucked the bumper up on the G, man.
All right, so he fucked the 35 off, and then he slammed me, and we were wrestling, and now I got a dent in my car. So this is just a tweaker lifestyle. Sometimes we run into problems, guys. It's all right. Oh.
Yeah, so like, you know what I mean? This thing's alright, like, it's just a little dent, it'll buff out. It's not too bad.
So, bro just pulled up with the C5. Damn, son. Guys, this is my brother Mike. He just got a C5. So he's going to tell you a little bit about it. All right, Mike, so you want to tell him a little bit about your C5?
Yeah, so I just picked this thing up a couple days ago. It's a beauty. It's only got 50,000 miles on it. It's a 99 C5 Corvette with the LS1 motor. It's got the T56 6-speed.
Nice. Nice. Like
Yeah,
it.
I got a pretty smoking deal on it.
Okay. And he's getting wheels for it too, guys. These are the stock wheels.
Some C5 Z06 wheels on it, and then just have these stocks be my winter wheels.
Okay. Yeah, so if you guys don't know already, like I said, this is my brother. This is his new car. He has a G35 sedan right back there, manual.
Which is going to be going soon.
Yep. And this is his new C5, guys. This thing is nice. What's going on, you guys? Matt here. Just got back from the barber shop and shit. So we're going to end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed the first video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Please share this channel. We're going to do lots more for you guys. And make sure if you have any suggestions, just drop it in the comment section. Let us know what you want to see. So thank you for watching.